Okay, in this video, I'm going to show you how to make origami weapons. This one is the spear. And I'm going to show you a little hack to make the tip nice and sharp, just like this. Let's get tip nice and sharp, just like this. Let's get started. Okay, so we're going to start out with a regular printer paper, and we're going to fold this in half lengthwise. So I'll line up these two edges, and then crease that down. Then we're going to fold it in half again, same direction, lining up this bottom edge and creasing this down. Now I'm going to open this up and rotate it. Now I'm going to show you a little hack that we're going to start right now so that you get a good point on your spear. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this edge here and we're going to fold it along this crease line, but actually we're going to fold it close to the crease line, not on it. So we're going to go back just a little bit and crease that down. So hopefully you can see this in the video. It's a little bit away. So what we're going to do, we're going to do the same thing to this side. I'm going to fold this one down. I'm going to match it up so that the bottom edges here are aligned. Then I will crease that down. And I think you better see the separation at the top. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to hold down this flap and I'm going to take this edge and put it along the edge of this flap. So again, not to the center crease, just to the edge of the paper. And I'll crease that down. I'm going to do the same thing to this side. So this edge is going to go along that center, the edge of that paper. And now crease that down. You can still see I got the little gap up front. That's going to be important. Now what we're going to do is down here, I'm going to take this corner and I'm going to fold it along that edge, that center crease. But back here, we're going to keep a little space. So if I'm right on the edge there, I'll crease that down. And you can see the separation there. Now we're going to do the same thing to this side. I'm going to take this corner and I'll make these two corners touch. And then I will crease this down. And this is what it looks like so far. So we got a little space back here. Center crease is right in the middle. All right. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take this edge here. Now I'm going to fold it along the center crease. So I'm going to go ahead and rotate this sideways so I can see better. And before I crease it down, I'm going to make sure I line it up. Make sure it comes all the way to the tip here. And then when I'm happy with that, I will crease that down. And I'll give that a good crease. Okay, now I'm going to do the same thing to this side. So I'm going to take this edge. I'm going to go right up against the edge of that one. Make sure it comes right to a point. Then I will crease this down. Just like that. Okay, at this point, what we've got is we got this little edge here. And you can see if we flip it over, it comes to a nice point. All right, so now what we're going to do is we're going to actually tape this down. Don't have to tape it, but it does help. Just like that. And then we're going to put this off to the side for now, and we're going to start with the handle. So with the handle, we're going to do this lengthwise. If you have a pencil, it's better, or if you got a little stick, what we're going to do is we're going to roll this up. And then right over here at the edges, you just kind of tuck in that paper. And then it may start a little weird, but that's okay. Just keep rolling, and it straightens itself out. And get your pencil out of there. Then what I like to do is I like to tighten this up, or tape this up. I like to tape the center and the two ends, just to keep it all together. Okay. Now what we're going to do, remember the gap back here? We're going to go ahead and feed this in there. push that and you can twist that in. And then the seam of the paper here, this handle, this is what I like to have up on this side. That way when you flip it over this side, it's nice and clean. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please click follow for more.